and we are planning to refurbish and refurnish our apartment. We have visited many shops around this area, but we couldn't get the right quality product or with the right price. Finally, we ended up Googling and finding Sofa Clinic, and Sofa Clinic really provides a great service, and they have met all the expectations, meeting our requirements with the refurnishing our sofa. We were given timely updates and were updated at every stage of the process. We have been to too many showrooms nearby, and we have no satisfaction regarding the fabric and the hard leather. This is where Sofa Clinic is good at customer service. Yeah, they have actually sent a person with catalogs with all types of leather, medium, high and premium quality. The delivery was done within a week as soon as we identified the right leather and right texture. Then there were many good things regarding the customer service and the material used. Yeah, this was a sofa with many memories, and Sofa Clinic has refurbished the sofa, bringing back all the memories to me. I thank Sofa Clinic for such a wonderful work and such a wonderful workmanship, and we look forward for more sofa as they have started a new division of making furniture.